back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a video that literally everyone is doing right now. It's been everywhere. You guys have probably heard of this trend. It is basically where you follow a beauty guru's makeup tutorial. So yeah, today I'm going to be trying to follow one of James Corden's makeup tutorials. I'm just choosing it like a pretty easy one. Like, I do not think I'm like a professional at makeup or anything like that. So I thought it would be fun to try to follow one of his tutorials. Just following a tutorial called Easy Glam Event Makeup. Let's hope this goes well. Okay.
Hi sisters, James Charles here.
Hi sisters.
Hi sisters. Hi sisters. Hi sisters. Hi sisters.
Also, I obviously don't have all the products he uses in this video, so I'm going to try to use something as close to that product that I can find. I love his intro.
So if you guys have been following me on Snap and Twitter and all the other social medias, you know that I'm currently in Los Angeles. I did graduate early. I am all done with high school, thank God, and I just got approved for my first ever apartment. Oh my God. I am so freaking excited, and I moved to LA in the beginning of March. Before I get to move into my dream house, however, I do go home in a few days. I'm actually going to South Africa with my friends for my senior trip of school. I'm so freaking excited, and you guys know that vlog will be a glowy, bronzy makeup look to a Dior event, and a ton of you guys are asking for it, so I decided to sit down and film a tutorial on it today. This is basically like my go-to event makeup, and I decided to do this simple half-cut crease with little diamonds on the side and just a nude lip with lots of glow. And if you guys want to see how I created this look, make sure you keep on watching. Alright, hello sisters. So to start off this video today, I have my base and eyebrows already done. Y'all have seen me do them a million times, and I'll be doing an updated brow routine soon, so...
Okay, so he's done foundation, contour and eyebrows all off camera. So I'm going to quickly just do that. I've already done my brows now, so I'm gonna go do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've finally done my base and everything. Now let's get into the eyeshadow.
Half-cut crease with little diamonds on the side and just a nude lip with lots of glow. And if you guys want to see how I created this look, make sure you keep on watching. Alright, hello sisters. So to start off this video today, I have my base and eyebrows already done. Y'all have seen me do them a million times, and I'll be doing an updated brow routine soon, so keep your eyes peeled. So I thought we'd just like focus on the eyes and everything else today and make this a super quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to start off the eyes today with my Morphe 25B palette. This is one of the new mini palettes. I guess it's not actually
I have that here.
But I'm going to be using this one today. Love good descriptions. So I'm first going to go in with this orange transition shade up in here with my M441 and just buff that into...
Okay. Alright, I guess. So he's just kind of buffing it right in the crease. Let's try this. Oh my god, I'm scared because I never actually follow tutorials. I literally just do whatever. Like, I watch tutorials all the time, but I never actually do the look. I'm like, oh, I want to do that one day. I never actually do it. I find it really hard to do eyeshadow a lot because I go too high and I can't blend very well.
Next I'm going to grab my M433 and dip into this reddy brown shade up in here and just put that on the outer V. I'm just blending this really lightly into the outer crease. I don't want this eye look to have too much dimension. I'm kind of keeping it really soft and light today.
Already this just started and it's already not going well. How do you get it so like lightly put on? Like, literally mine's just going on like a blob.
M433, and I'm going to dip into this dark brown shade right down here and just...
That's really pigmented, this one. I'm scared to use it.
Just deepen up the outer corner the slightest bit.
The slightest bit, okay. I'm just better doing my own thing. Like, following something stresses me out, especially when I'm on camera and I'm doing makeup. It stresses me out, so I do it really badly.
here and sort of cut the crease. I'm just using this brush and the shadow to cut out the inner corner and just going about halfway. This is basically going to be a half cut crease, and then I'm just going to blend out the outer.
Oh, these are so pigmented. I use these palettes every day, by the way. See, his look so nice and like precise and everything. Mine are just so... I don't really know what's going on.
Corner with the same orange shadow from before. For a little bit more dimension, I'm going to layer over top of that shadow with the new ColourPop single shadow in the shade Liar Liar. I'm just going to use the same exact brush. I have not used any of these shadows yet, so I'm super excited to see how it looks on the eye. Oh wow, that's... Oh my god! These are really, really pretty. Okay, I'm actually loving how the shadow is applying. This looks so beautiful. These shadows are definitely a win, and they've been sitting in my drawer for the past like 3 weeks now. I just opened the PR package, and now I'm really, really mad that I have not played with these sooner. And I'm going to go ahead and add a winged liner, and for this I'm going to use my absolute fave, the Kat Von D tattoo liner in the shade Trooper. Roll up the sleeves because this is some serious action about to go down.
I can't do winged eyeliner to save my life. Honestly, I cannot do it. Like, the thing is, when I do it really good, I don't go anywhere, I'm just at home. Whereas when I want to do it and I go out, I can't do it properly. So I'm just going to be using the Maybelline Matte Precise eyeliner. Literally, guys, wish me luck because I'm so bad at winged eyeliner. And when I'm on camera, it's even worse. Gone straight out. Oh, if I fail this, I can't like turn back. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of this off camera. I'll be back. This one is way thinner than this one. Like, I can sometimes on the odd occasion, if I'm not under pressure and not thinking about it too much, I can do one eye okay. But, yeah, they're definitely not sisters, they're definitely not cousins, and they're probably like long lost cousins, I feel like, because they do not look anywhere near the same, but we're just gonna go with it. And we're just gonna use some concealer to save the day. Literally, concealer helps everything. Oh my god, it's literally just smudged. I'm actually sort of happy with this eyeliner. The blending, not as much.
Wow. The prayer worked because I think this is literally one of the best winged liners I've ever done.
Good for you, not for me.
Winged liner has always been something that's really, really hard for me because of my eye shape and because of my eyelids and my eyebrows being so thick and not arched. So I've always had to like draw my wings really, really like out towards my temple. But recently I've like kind of been figuring out a little bit how to draw them upwards and not have them look stupid. So this is progress. I'm happy. For the lower lash line, I'm going to grab my M433 in that same original orange transition shade and just start to buff that in, but I'm only going to keep this color on the outer corner. To line my lower waterline and open up my eyes, I'm going to be using the Tarte Fake Awake Eye Pencil. I've been loving using nude pencils in the waterline lately. Black obviously closes your eyes and makes them look really, really sexy and sultry, and then white can be sometimes too much and like too draggy. So nude is obviously
I don't think I'm gonna do that. I don't know how to, and it scares me, and I don't have.
This has been a PSA. Thanks for listening. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna take my tweezers and pick up one of these little crystals and a little bit of lash glue and just pop.
I actually do have some of these. I have like these nail art like crystal things. I'm gonna use one of those. So I'm just going to place that there. I'm going to just use my finger.
Put it on.
And it's straight under.
Right in the center.
I like this scarf.
This is obviously 100% unnecessary, but it's super duper cute. And this look is very, very simple. So I just wanted to pull a little bit more attention to the eye. For lashes today, I'm going to be popping on the
Okay. These are really small, but we're just going to go with it. But that's kind of cute. I mean, his look better because they're actually bigger. And it's James, but I've only got Ardell lashes.
I know I talked about this in the last video, but guys, seriously,
I'm gonna use these natural demi lashes. Yeah, they're probably like the closest to them because these are like really crazy and like the only lashes I really use. So I'm just gonna be using those ones. Oh my god, all the guck and just eyeshadow and glue on these lashes is disgusting. I just reuse these so many times. These are the only lashes I use.
Putting on your lashes before you put on mascara is the best trick that anybody has ever taught me. 15 out of 10 would definitely recommend, like, made my life a million times easier. Alright, I just popped on some mascara and then curled my lashes together to make sure they are nice and blended. And that
I just filmed a whole part of me doing my highlight, but the whole time I was literally out of focus, like not just a little bit, like honestly a blur. So sorry about that, that wasn't on a video, but I just used the BYS highlight. He used an O for one, but I don't have that. And yeah, I just put that on my nose, on my cheeks. It has like a reddy colour.
Okay, so I've been wearing these lipsticks for a few weeks now, and a bunch of you guys have been asking for my opinion, so here it is. The lipsticks from Morphe are super good, but they aren't my favorite.
Okay, the closest I have, I think, is of a lipstick that I can actually work with that's really easy to apply is the NYX Laundry Matte Lipstick in Bedtime Flirt. So I'm just going to be applying that. It's not the exact same shade, but it's pretty close. Anyway guys, this is the finished look. I actually think I did better than I thought I would. I didn't do like an amazing job, but I actually think I did a pretty good job, I guess. I think I'm going to do this look actually a lot when I go to parties or just out. I really like it, and the eyelashes just make everything 10 times better. And I'm actually pretty happy with myself with how I did the winged eyeliner. For once in my life, I actually did it alright. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And also subscribe down below if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video.